Hey, what up, class? It's Martin Tellez, and I am here to talk about the past, present, and future explorations of our gas and ice giants. This is what I decided I would do my Mission 13 on. I thought it was a pretty interesting thing to do. So here we have our gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and then we have Uranus and Neptune. I think that they're pretty cool because they're so far away. We don't know half as much as we do about the other ones. We'll start with Jupiter. So here, this is an artist depiction. It shows the Galileo probe getting into the clouds with a parachute. We have been to Jupiter a lot of times, probably one of the most. So there was Pioneer 10, 11, the Voyager 2 and 1, the Galileo, the Ulysses, the Cassini, the New Horizons, and Juno. Next, we will go on into Saturn, and we don't really get to go into the land on them just because of the harsh temperatures and the when they send probes and such craft out there, it can freeze up because of the temperatures. It can burn up. Some of the missions have just completely vaporized the equipment. But Saturn here, we went through it on the Pioneer 11, the Voyager 2, the Voyager 1, Cassini, and Huygens. So Huygens is kind of part of Cassini. It launched into the moons, and that's why I really thought this particular trip was so amazing, just because of all the things that it was able to do with Saturn. Here's a few things here. 2.5 million commands were executed. All this data. They discovered 6 new moons. Um, they had over 453 images taken by it, 294 orbits, so it's pretty impressive. We'll move on to Neptune and Uranus. And Voyager 2 flew by Neptune in 86 and Uranus in 1989. We haven't been able to really get out to those just because they're so far away. There isn't any new explorations planned for them, though scientists really want to get out there. So I'm sure in the next couple of years we'll be finding something out with the mission out to those planets. Thank you for watching my presentation. Here is my reference page, and see you on the next mission, which is our last.